Hi, Marcy Katz from NEWPRO here. Thank you so much for trusting NEWPRO to install Lux Life flooring in your home. You are going to love your new floors. In this video, I will review a few things you should do to prepare for your flooring installation. Step 1. Please remove all smaller or fragile items from the rooms where your new floors will be installed. This includes easy-to-move objects that may be on dressers, desks, or bookcases. Don't worry about the big furniture. Our crews will handle that for you. Step number 2. Disconnect all electronics and appliances in the rooms where your floors will be installed. Step 3. Plan to be present on the day of your install, but if you can't be, try to have another adult there who is familiar with the project and the materials you chose. It's also important to have a secure area away from the installation rooms for your pets, children, and valuables. Your installation will typically start between 8 and 10 a.m. We do appreciate your patience if the installers are a few minutes behind schedule. When the installation crew arrives, they will ask you to confirm the color of the planks in the rooms where they will be installed. They will walk the rooms with you, answering any questions you may have about the process. As part of the installation process, our installers will move any large furniture or appliances. In some cases, they may need to remove your doors, but we will rehang them after the installation. Once the rooms are clear of furniture, the installation team will get started on the floors. Depending on the specifics of your project, we will haul away your old flooring and debris. Sometimes circumstances are discovered after removing the original flooring that required additional work. If this happens, we will work with you to determine a cost and get your approval so we can complete your installation without delay. Rest assured that our experienced NEWPRO installers treat every job with care and pride. Please note that sometimes installations can run over to the next day. If this occurs, it's because we want to complete your job correctly and never rush it. After the floors are installed, the installers will return any furniture and appliances that were moved and will broom clean the area. The last step is the most important. Before the installers leave, please walk through each room and inspect the installations. Check the transitions between rooms and ensure they are secure. Finally, inspect the floor itself. If there is anything that doesn't meet your expectations, let your installation crew and project manager know so we can fix it while our crew is still at your home. At NEWPRO, we want to be your home improvement partner for life. Trust that you are in good hands and we will take care of your home like it's our own. Thank you so much for choosing Lux Life Flooring by NEWPRO. We can't wait to get started on your project.